Morning nursery. Now today I have a very special sound box. Inside my box are things that make a sound, and you need to do really good listening to try and guess what I have in my box. And once I turn my box around, it becomes magical. So are you ready? Turn, turn, turn the box round, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Are we ready? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do you think's in my box today? Let's see if you're right. It's a clock in my box today. Are we ready? Let's see if there's anything else in there. Turn, turn, turn the box round, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Doing good listening. It is. What do you think? It's a pig in my box today. Let's see. Try again. Turn, turn, turn the box round, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Bah, bah, bah. Oh, what do you think today? It's a sheep in my box today. We're ready. Turn, turn, turn the box around, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Ring, 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 ring. Got in. It's a phone in my box today. Let's see. Turn, turn, turn the box round, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Hum, 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 hum. It's a car in my box today. Turn, turn, turn the box round, lift the lid and listen for the sound. Roar! Roar! A lion in my box today. Did you guess all of the things in my box?